Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a Burlington haul, and I'm so freaking excited because I think you got the nerve. I think Burlington is going to be one of my new favorite stores to shop at. Like, I already knew Burlington was that girl, and TJ Maxx and all of them, but this time it's a different type of feel. It's a different type of love. I think I'm back in my prime with her, and I found so many freaking goodies. I'm really excited. I got 2 bags. I wish I had a 3rd bag, but your girl was on budget. And besides all the stuff that I got, I did film an Instagram reel. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I'm always active on there, posting pictures, stories, reels. First thing that I got from Burlington was some pink slippers. This colored pink is going to be very in for this spring and summertime. It was very popular last year too during the summertime, and I honestly think this color is going to be really popular for a really long time. So I had to get these slippers, and they're from the brand 9 West. I actually got these from my mother. I was gonna get me these, but I actually already have something like this already, like this color, but it was from Forever 21, and I didn't want to get, like, you know what I mean? So she wanted these, so I got them. Really comfortable. On the bottom of them, they look like this. Has like a nice grip to them, and they're really sturdy. And how much were these? These were only $10 at Burlington. You cannot sleep on Burlington. Like, these are so cute, so comfy. And if you guys don't know 9 West is known to be sold in Kohl's. I'm not sure if 9 West is sold anywhere else besides like Kohl's. Well, I know they're sold at TJ Maxx and stuff, but like any higher area besides their own store in Kohl's. But 9 West is a very known brand. I got another pair of slippers, and it's by the brand Laura Ashley. Honestly never heard of them, but they retail for $28, and I got them for $10. And these are so comfortable, really good quality. I love this color. It looks very luxurious and expensive. On the bottom of them, they just have this flower print, and they have a really good grip to them. But yeah, these are really comfortable and nice. And I had got a pair of exfoliating gloves, and it came with a pink pair, but I had to use those immediately because the ones that I had before these, like, they were so old and they weren't that good anymore, so I just had to get a new pair. And these were only $4 for a pair too, so I decided to try them out, and I actually really like them. Personally, I cannot just use a regular washcloth to wash my body unless it's certain areas. Next, I decided to get this journal, and this was actually on clearance for $3, and I guess it used to be $8. I don't know, they put like a random sticker on it because I'm assuming that this was lost and they just had to, you know, put a random sticker on it. But this says, "She believed she could, so she did." I love this quote so much because it's very motivational to me, and it just reminds me to continue working for what I want. And as long as I know in my mind that I could do it, or if I know confidently that it'll happen, like, it'll happen, especially if it's in God's will. So yeah, I really love this quote a lot. And besides the quote, like, I really like the pink and gold and the marble looking effect with this. And it has this part too, but this is how it looks inside. And then you guys, this is one of my favorite, like, all-time favorite purchases that I got from Burlington in a very long time. I honestly wasn't even planning to buy anything, but I saw this beautiful, eye-catching, eye-grabbing Juicy Couture bag. Oh my gosh, she is so beautiful. Look at her. Look at the like, she is so beautiful, and I'm clearly obsessed. What made me more obsessed with the bag is because this was the last one. Keep in mind, I see multiples of different bags, but this was the last one, and I knew that if I missed out on this opportunity, I wouldn't ever see her again. And I seen her on Instagram maybe a week or 2 before I went to Burlington, and she was there, and she was right there waiting for me. I know you was. I'm so dramatic, but no, like this bag is so cute. The original cost of this is $80. Do y'all see that? 80 freaking dollars. Like, can you please focus? At Burlington, it's $25. $25 for this beautiful bag. And it's pretty good quality. Like, let's move these out the way. It has the Juicy hardware on here, then it has the gold and the gold, then it has the gold hardware on these, on the straps, and you have the option to put the straps in the bag, or you can wear it as a crossbody or on the side. On the back of it, it has a pocket on the inside, and inside it has Juicy Couture. Like, everything is like Juicy Coutured out. Once you open it, it just has a magnetic opening, and on the inside it's like a nude black color. Like, this part right here is nude, obviously. Then it has Juicy Couture in black writing. On the inside, it just looks like this. It's pretty spacious, and then it has a pocket right here, and it's really deep, really deep. Then right here it just says Juicy Couture, Los Angeles, California. And then there's another pocket. Like, there's like 1, 2, 3 pockets, and there's another pocket. I've been really into wearing small purses lately, so this is perfect for me. And I remember seeing this other Juicy bag, but it was black, like all black with rhinestones that says Juicy, but I didn't like how the rhinestones look. But I remember seeing a baby pink one with more of like silver rhinestones, and I did not see that at my local Burlington, unfortunately. But honestly, seeing this and just getting it makes up for that, because I really love this. It looks it's kind of reminding me of Louis Vuitton in a way. And this snaps back very easily, and the handles are very sturdy too. Right when I was checking out, like literally minding my business, checking out of nowhere, my eyes immediately just went to One Direction, and this fell in my cart. Then I seen the price and I was like, oh, that's why it fell in my cart. Me putting it in my cart, because this is only $9. I found a Juicy Couture wallet that matches with this bag. This was originally $35. Now it's $9. I think the name of this collection, like how these are styled, is called Gothic Pecan White. My favorite part about this is that it has a heart on it. Oh my gosh, the hardware is a whole heart. That is so cute. And on the inside, it just looks like this. It's literally the same style as the bag, but just in a wallet form. I kind of want to like put it on here, like put this on here, and just, oh my gosh, that is so cute. But then again, I don't want people to think they have the opportunity just to snatch my stuff. No, that's not about to happen. So I think I'm just gonna leave this in here. My mom wanted this reusable coffee pods because she loves drinking coffee, and I honestly feel like it's my fault, because I remember her always telling me she didn't really like coffee like that. Then out of nowhere, she started drinking coffee, and I was like, it's my fault. Like, I've always been the one loving coffee. I don't like hot coffee, but me and her love cold coffee, and she always makes her own. So she wanted these reusable pods, and it came with 3, and obviously she took the other 2 already. But this retails for $7, and she got it for $5. This is really good to have, so you don't have to keep buying pods. You can just put your own in there in your own coffee maker and just make your own coffee. So with this next item, it was supposed to be a gift, but then I realized, okay, my friend doesn't really like stuff like this. She likes more natural remedies, and I know this right here is not that natural. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just leave it here and just take it back. And I took it back too late, and they told me like, oh, it's worth a penny now. So I'm like, okay, I guess it's mine. But I'm kind of glad, because I was really liking this right here. Okay, so this comes with a sleep mask and a frosted cranberry body scrub and a frosted cranberry bath salts, and this was originally $15, but I got it for $6. This is a aromatherapy collection, but mainly, yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this eye mask, because I noticed like whenever I wear my bonnets like to sleep, I'll be putting them to my eyes because I need it to be more dark in my room. Then lastly, I did get this acrylic organizer, and oh my gosh, Burlington has so many acrylic organizers. at least at my local one, because I sworn I seen like probably 10 different ones, and it's not even like the holiday times right now. So I'm like, okay, they must be known to sell really good ones, because whenever I went to TJ Maxx, I don't really see any. They even had ones that I currently have. I have this huge acrylic organizer where I put most of my makeup in, or my main makeup necessities, and they have that at Burlington. Maybe not as big, but they still had like the same drawers and everything. So I'm like, oh, I desperately needed this one, because with like my skincare products, or some of them, or some of my lipsticks, like they just sit on top of the acrylic drawer that I have, but it needed to be more organized, right? I snatched that up immediately, okay, because there was only like 1 or 2 of these left. This is a multi-use organizer, versatile organizer for any room, by the brand London Fog Home Collection. That's how you would organize it. It's originally $9, but I got it for $5. And yet again, another steal from Burlington Coat Factory. They never fail me whatsoever. I remember when I was first shopping with them when I was like 9 or 8. No, I was 8 years old. I'll insert a picture right here, because that dress, like I was so in love with that dress. And I believe like that whole outfit I was wearing was from Burlington, or it was just mainly the dress. I don't know, when I picked it, I was like so in love with it, and it was only like maybe $20 or $15 at the time. That was like one of the main purchases that I remember getting from Burlington, because I was seriously obsessed with that dress. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more Burlington hauls from me, because the obsession is kind of growing, and I'm not mad at it. And let me know, what is your favorite purchase that you got from Burlington. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Harmony. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.